Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover mailings menu. Let's begin. There are 5 sections. First section is Create. Second section is Start Mail Merge. Third section is Write and Insert Fields. Fourth section is Preview Results. And fifth section is Finish. Let's begin with first section. That is Create. We can create envelopes and labels. Under Envelopes, we can add delivery address. We can add electronic postage. We can add return address. Or we can omit it. We can see preview of settings applied. Feed option. Opens printing options. We can define feed method. We can select radio buttons. Face up and face down. We can select clockwise rotation. We can define tray to get feed from. And also reset to default. We can print envelope. Add envelope to document. Options button opens. Envelope options, which has 2 tabs. Printing options is already covered under feed. Let's continue with envelope options. We can define envelope size, delivery address, font, from left and from top spacing. We can define return address, font, and from left and from top spacing. Also, we can preview. To get e-postage properties, we need to install electronic postage softwares. Next tab is Labels. We can add address. Use the same address as return address. We can print using full page of the same label. And single label options. For single label we can define row and column. We can preview how label will get applied. We can print labels. Add to new document. Label options contain printer information, with options continuous feed printers and page printers. We can define tray. Under label information, we can select label vendors. We can find updates on office.com. We can select product number. We can get details. We can add new label and delete labels. To get e-postage properties, we need to install electronic postage softwares. Next section is Start Mail Merge. We can start mail merge using letters, email messages, envelopes, labels, directory, normal Word document, or using step-by-step mail merge wizard. Under step-by-step mail merge wizard, first step is select document type. Second step is select starting document. Third step is select recipients. Fourth step is writing letter. Fifth section is preview letters and make changes. Last section is complete the merge. We can select recipients with options. Type a new list using an existing list and choose from Outlook contacts. We can edit recipient list. Next section is Write and Insert Fields. We can highlight merge fields. We can insert address block, greeting line, and insert merge fields like title, first name, last name, company name, address line 1, address line 2, city, state, zip code, country or region, home phone, work phone and email address. We can define rules like ask, fill in, if then else, merge record, merge sequence, next record if, set bookmark and skip record if. We can match fields and update labels. Next section is Preview Results. We can preview results. Navigate to first record, previous record, next record, and last record. find recipient, and check for errors. Next section is Finish. We can finish and merge with options, edit individual documents, print documents, and send email messages. I hope you enjoyed the video. You can buy ebook on Microsoft Word interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.